I'm going to review the 5 ways to become a YouTube millionaire in this video. To get started, you need to create a YouTube channel, but if you have one already, you need to optimize it to become a YouTube millionaire. But before you create your YouTube channel, there is one important step you need to take, which is to select a YouTube niche of interest. To become a YouTube millionaire as soon as possible, you need to select a high RPM niche, and RPM is simply the revenue per million. This is simply the amount YouTube is going to pay you per 1,000 views. But before you select your niche, here is a little secret for you to hit your first $1 million as soon as possible. Niches like finance, tech, and education have high RPM, up to $7 per 1,000 views, while other niches like entertainment have RPM as low as 0.5 cents to $1. To avoid burning out in the YouTube journey, ensure to select a niche that you love and have passion for. After selecting a niche, the next step is to head on to Google and create your Gmail account. And then use the Gmail account to create your YouTube channel, upload your profile picture and your cover photo. To ensure that YouTube recommends your video to larger audience, you need to optimize your channel by customizing your keywords, adding all the keywords that are related to your niche. And also you need to update your hashtag with hashtags related to your niche to enable YouTube to show your videos to people who are interested in your niche. After optimizing your channel, go ahead to publish your first video as soon as possible, because the longer you prolong this step, the longer you prolong your chances of becoming a YouTube millionaire. If you're worried about what people will think of your video, always remember that nobody cares. And you don't even have to share your videos with your family and friends, because YouTube already have millions of users to share your videos. The next step is to continue creating videos and posting consistently, because this will help the YouTube algorithm to identify your right audience and promote your videos to more audience. And at this point, you don't have to worry about your views count, because your first couple of videos are going to get low views. But you should continue posting consistently until you make that one video that will go viral and your channel is going to get a lot of views and your channel will blow up and you start making money immediately. YouTube requires only 2 parameters before you become a YouTube millionaire: the click-through rate and the retention rate. And the click-through rate is simply the number of times people click your videos to watch it whenever YouTube recommends your video to them. And then the retention rate is how long people stay on YouTube to watch your videos. And to get a good click-through rate, you need to work on your thumbnails and your titles. Your thumbnails and your titles should be compelling enough such that whenever people see it on the YouTube browse pictures, they want to click on it to watch your video immediately. And to get it right, you need to ask yourself one particular question: what actually triggers you to click on a particular video to watch it? Just like you're watching this video now, what actually prompted you to click on this video to watch this video? First, the bright thumbnail which display the YouTube millionaire, and then secondly, the title on the 5 ways to become a YouTube millionaire. Therefore, to have a good thumbnail and a good title, they should include 2 elements. 1, the curiosity, and secondly, fear of missing out. Whenever people see your videos on the browse feature, it should trigger some form of curiosity in them to want to know what is in the video, and also the fear of missing out that will create some fear in them that if they don't watch this video immediately, they are going to miss a lot of things. The second most important thing YouTube requires from you before making you a millionaire is to keep people watching your videos for a longer time by improving on your retention rates. And to increase your retention rate, you need to include 4 elements in your videos: the intro hook, the storyline, the value and entertainment, and then the use of end screen. Therefore, at the beginning of your video, you need to use a very strong hook to validate your thumbnails and titles. And to do this, you need to tell them immediately what they are expected to get from this video based on your titles and thumbnails. Everyone loves listening to stories, including you, so you should use stories to keep your audience watching your videos for a very long time. And also, you should ensure that your video is offering a lot of values and also entertaining to keep your audience watching for a very longer time to increase your retention rates. And finally, you need to make use of your end screens properly to refer your audience from your current video to the next video. In that way, they will keep watching more of your videos on your channel. The YouTube algorithm is going to be triggered to push your video to more audience. Congratulations if you have gotten to this stage. Now you are ready to explore the 5 ways to become a YouTube millionaire. And the first way, which I highly recommend, is to start making money from your YouTube channel even before being monetized. So this means that even if you have not hit the 1,000 subscription and the 4,000 watch hours threshold, you can also make money from your channel through affiliate marketing. And you can do this by reviewing some products you used in your videos or some products that have helped your life and recommend it to your audience. And also leave your affiliate links in your video description such that whenever people click on it to buy that particular product, you get paid. For example, I can tell you how this particular book has helped my life positively, and I can leave the link for you to buy it in my description. Whenever you click on the link and buy this book, I get paid. And the second way, which also allows you to make money from YouTube even before being qualified for the YouTube partnership program, is fan funding. Under this category, we have the channel membership, where members pay to get exclusive videos from your channel. We also have the super thanks, where audience pay to get their comments highlighted in the comment sections of your videos. And then we have the super chat and stickers, where audience pay to get their chats and stickers highlighted at the top in your live streams. And for you to be qualified for the fan funding, you need 500 subscribers, 3 video posts, and 3,000 watch hours. And the third way, which everyone knows about, is the YouTube partnership program, where you get money from ad revenues and YouTube premium subscriptions. And for you to be qualified for the YouTube partnership program, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 1 year, or 10 million YouTube short views. And the fourth way to become a YouTube millionaire, which I highly recommend, is through sponsorship and branding. You've probably come across a lot of YouTube videos where the creators mention that this particular video is sponsored by this company. So these are brand deals on sponsorship. These companies pay a lot of money for sponsorships. And then the final way to become a YouTube millionaire is through shopping, where people buy different products from your YouTube channel shop. Your YouTube channel shop is the section whereby you recommend your own products and other people's products and leave the links to buy them. Now that you've watched this video and ready to become a YouTube millionaire, watch this next video on the one decision you need to make before you start making money online and secure your financial freedom.